Mabuhay Philippines and Namaste India. This is Nichelle and Regine Vlog sharing you all the love and happiness as Indian and Filipina couples. Another day, another kaganapan na naman. Hello everyone and Namaste India. Ganap for today, tayo ay pupunta ng ukay-ukay. So, just give us the moment na magpapakyut itong and todo flex sa ating outfit. And ito nga ang pamangkin ko na napakulit, ginagaya ko. Ito naman yung sister ko. Say hi! And yun nga, dahil nga nandito kami sa Jensen, so pa-travel kami papuntang palengke nila or the public market. Kapag nandito nga ako sa Jensen ay hindi ako masyadong lumalabas. Kasi bukod sa napaka-traffic, napakalayo pa at napaka-init. Kaya if lalabas ako, that's just once in a blue moon. At ngayon nga, nandito na kami sa public market at pupunta kami ng ukay-ukay upang maghanap ng Barbie outfit ng ating pamangkin dahil pupunta sila sa party. So yan na nga, naghahanap ang sister ko ng mga outfit na para sa pamangkin ko at todo tulong rin ako para makahanap kami ng suit na damit para sa kanya. At hindi ko na nga na-record ang iba pa, ito yung video na pauwi na kami at yan ay ilan lamang sa aming pinabili. Pagkatapos niya, naganda na kami for picture taking para sa aking pamangkin and this will be the duty as an auntie. See you, my future daughter. You know what will happen. So be ready and you should wear your confidence if I am your mother. And ito na nga yung mga pictorial namin. Ako, napakakulit na bata. Ayaw mag-follow ng instruction kung ano ipopost. Kaya stress na ang auntie nyo. Kaya kukuha tayo ng stress reliever because of that. Bumili nga kami kanina ng green mango sa palengke or sa public market. Kasi nakita nga namin na naka-display ito and pag manggaba naman hindi maiwasang maglaway kaya bumili na rin kami ng 1 kilong mangga at saka syempre hindi mawala ang partner na bagoong. Nako, sino ba naman hindi maglalaway sa mangga ito with bagoong? And yan na nga, kumakain kami lahat and talagang napakasarap and maglalaway ka talaga. And also, pinalitan ko din naman yung sausawan namin from red bagoong to the black bagoong. Yung red bagoong nga ganamos tawag namin doon and sa black naman is bagoong talaga ito tawag sa aming dialect.
A few moments later.
At nag-call na nga yung boyfriend ko dahil free siya sa trabaho and he's always calling me 12 noon his time and that is 2:30 here in the Philippines. And so we were like talking and then I also asked him if he already take the lunch and he said that he's going home later and then he will take the lunch there because hindi siya bumibili sa labas. When he arrived at home, he immediately called me and moments later, me is preparing his food and me is making hoti and dokotla. So dokotla is Gujarati style because they are living in Gujarat. So that's how they prepare that. And kung dito nagnimekos-mekos na si me and me wanted me to see how she prepared that and na sadyang napakalinis and also mabilis ang kamay ni me sa paggawa ng hoti and I was amazed. So my boyfriend got home like 3 p.m. there and that's 6 a.m. here in the Philippines. And me is preparing his food for we didn't take lunch so the lunch was late. Kita nyo naman yan. So sadyang napakabilis and
wow.
I was amazed.
Sana all.
So So shout out to all my CC out there who have a husband that is Indian. To all my Filipino CC, mapapasana all lang tayo. Kita nyo naman, napakalinis. And napanganganga ako sa paggawa ni me. And my boyfriend told me like, bakit daw? Bakit daw ganun ang reaction ko? And I was like, nothing. It was just so fast. And she made that so perfectly. Kasi nga may nakausap rin ako kahapon because I've been talking to some of my CC and may nakausap ako kahapon na gumagawa daw siya ng roti kaya lang hindi ito pumuputok. So sabi niya bubombahan niya na lang daw para ito ay sasabog or puputok. Don't worry CCs, practice will make us perfect, so continue to do it. And also my boyfriend eat the roti, and this one this is eggplant he said, and me make it for him, and me eat the rutla. And my boyfriend told me like I have to do the same thing for him later on, but I said like no, you have to do that for me. And he's going to eat, so he's going to end the call. And that's all for today. So thank you everyone for watching and for listening.